July 18th and 19th, one of California's largest dragon boat competitions once again paddles into town, turning the waters and shores of Marine Stadium into a hotbed of colorful competition and cultural entertainment. Enjoy the driving rhythm of boat drums as teams paddle and race dramatically decorated vessels. Take in traditional Chinese art demonstrations and live music, along with live performances of Chinese acrobats, traditional dance, hip-hop dance, and martial arts. This is one summer festival you don't want to miss. Visit lbdragonboat.com for more information.